Alright. Oh, I'm a seeker. He's already made me. But today, basically, the game is you're a monkey and you throw your own shit at the hiders and you convert them to communism. Yeah.
You're a seeker as well?
There's 3 seekers and 2 hiders. Alright. I'm gonna go check the outpost. You check underground. Do I see any monkmans? Do I see any groups? I don't see any groups.
Got one.
Oh, you got one? Nice. I have the high ground, by the way.
I'm dead.
You're dead? Did you jump in the water or something?
I fell in the water.
Good job. Oh, there's one on the treetops. There's one on the treetops. Is he jumping? Is he jumping?
I'm tossing rocks at him. Let's go.
I can't find him. I'm in the
guy
jungle.
In center. Guy in center.
Guy in center?
Yep.
All right. I'm going for center. All right, I'm in center. Oh no. Why? Why you gotta do this to us? Ah! Get back here, Curious George! This man! He's on top of the castle. Get him! Get him! Where'd he go?
I'm missing!
Ah! Come here, you little turd! Ah!
Come on!
He's running towards the outpost! He's running towards the outpost! Get him! He's down, Nick, he's down. He's in the castle. He's going up the ladder.
Wait, who just joined the call?
Shaft.
It is I.
Shaft!
Where'd he go? I lost him. I lost him.
Hey, Peter.
Hey, Peter.
Oh, I see him!
Hey, Peter.
Click R. Landry, if you click R, you're able to see where he's at. He's on the village. He's over by the village.
He's way out there, bro.
I know. He's way out there. I'm coming for him, though. I'm the closest right now.
No, I'm not. I see him.
No! I was right there!
I was right behind him.
I was right there at him. Bruh, why'd you make me a...
Also, are we both in agreement? No screen cheating.
Yeah, definitely not. Definitely not.
Got it. No screen cheating. Cody, I swear to fucking God. Cody,
Landry, he's over there.
I know. Oh
Landry,
no.
he's over there.
You already got someone?
Oh god, I need to mute your stream.
I fucking knew it! Cody, can you please not do that on my stream? Found the sex dungeon.
Hold up now. Hold up.
I found the sex dungeon.
I know exactly where you're at then. I found the hole! Let's go. One, let's go.
Dude, that's such bullshit. Boys, speed around!
Speed round? Bro, what the heck? Here. Is this you? This is you.
No
Here,
shit,
come follow me. I know a god spot. But we gotta hurry.
See what I mean by speed round?
Oh my god.
Speed round?
God spot.
What the fuck?
Yo, what the fuck is that character?
Look
It's
at
the monk man. It's the
It has
monk
no.
man.
It has no eyelids.
There goes a rock. All the way through.
Oh, what the heck? Where's the freaking rocks coming from? Oh, they're over by the church.
Hiders one.
Bro, you gotta increase the time.
I am. Like I said, speed round. Shooby dooby doo, a shooby dooby doo, a shooby dooby doo.
Owly the platypus.
See ya. Perry the
Platypus!
Yes.
I can also do Kermit the Frog, motherfucker.
Oh dear God.
Hey, why are there so many songs about rainbows?
Because
And
yes.
what's on the other side?
Come find me.
I'm sure you're probably still like in the tree area, knowing you.
Where's the money?
No!
Where are the drugs?
Where's the money? Stop
They're
screaming.
after me!
You're hurting my ears.
The
You're hurting my
commies are
bad ears.
after me!
Hello there.
I wouldn't go down there!
Hello there.
Oh God! Oh God! Never mind, I'm going down there!
Juked, motherfucker! Get juked!
Sir. There's
to
this
the next
guy.
dungeon I go!
Sir, there's this guy. Turned himself into a pickle.
Oh dear God. Oh dear God.
He calls himself Pickle Rick.
I'm dead. I
dead?
killed myself.
How'd you kill yourself? Did you
I
jump
fell
into
off the
water?
side of the map.
No.
You're the
Yo.
last fighter. Nut.
How much is that? Oh! Why? Why? I wasn't paying attention! I wasn't paying attention! Ah! Who is that? Who is that? Oh,
Bitch!
damn it. Fuck. It was you. God damn you.
Hi, buddy.
Fuck you. I'm going to the outpost. Oh, I'm on the outpost. I can see all now. Oh, he's in the castle. He's in the top castle.
Whoop.
I see him. I'm throwing balls at him. Oh, there's one in the center and then one on
Nut.
the treetops.
That's what you get for not paying attention. How dare you, Yellow?
Hey, I got the person on the top of the castle distracted. You go ahead and get him. Oh, you idiot. Why are you next to me? You know what? I'm just going to him. Tell me if he leaves. Alright, alright.
Nope.
He's on the run! I got him on the run. I got him on the run. Oh god, I think he's going back up and around. I think he's going back up and around. Fuck! I can't jump!
Cody, Yellow just roasted.
I got
you.
him. All three of us are up here, and yet we can't find him.
No, me and this other guy are finding him. Just fine.
I see him.
You're the
I see him. I see him.
dumbass who doesn't.
I see him. He's in the caves.
No, he's not.
What do you mean he's not? I just did the search thing. Like he's in the cave itself. Or at least he was.
There's 8 seconds left.
Bro, we're not winning this one. Monk Jesus is not on our side today. Oh. Oh. Only 3 of us remain.
Yep. Have fun.
Only 5 seconds till I come and meet your demise, Landry. Only 5 seconds. Oh! Who's that? Who's
Mind your
that?
fucking business, motherfucker.
Of course it's you! Where'd you go? Where'd you go? God damn it, did I lose you? Motherfucker, where'd you go? Where the fuck did you go? God damn it. Is this you? Get over here! Get over here, Gears, George!
Bitch!
Get back over here! Where'd you go?
Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posy.
No!
Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posy.
Get over here!
Oh!
I just barely missed you! Oh, there's another one!
Get him before me! Get him before me!
No! No! I'm coming for you. You think you could escape? Oh, I have another person that joined my team. Haha!
You have it to hit me, buddy.
What? That hit! No! You turned!
Ah, you bitch! You tried! You still missed! Ah! You still missing!
Nice
Got
shot!
you! That was BS! That was such BS!
Oh, that was fucking amazing! The king of jukes!
I'll give you a hint. I'm staying in the castle the whole time.
I wonder where little Cody could be.
You're never gonna find me. You're
Set a
just
bet.
not going to.
Set a bet. My goal is to only find you.
That.
Shaft already said box.
Yeah, look
Wait,
for boxes.
Shaft, why would you say that now? Why would you say that? Oh, you're gonna find me?
Hello there.
Why the fuck is this man here?
Oh,
Why are you here? No! No!
Yes!
This idiot! No! No! No!
Yes, to welcome.
Who is this man? Who is this man?
I'm not gonna find you because I made the time limit too fucking short.
You want to see where I was, Landry? I was over in this thing.
That's where I fucking threw rocks at!
You can get way down in there if you crouch.
I fucking hate that. Come on, let's make it easy on him.
Is that where we're going?
I'm stuck!
Oh no! Oh, okay. I see you.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy. I'm inside the house. Oh, I'm no longer inside the house. I'm just monkeying around now. It's fun just to mess around on the map and just run around and then be like, oh, oh, oh. So,
I see you.
yeah. Oh, I see you.
No, you don't.
Yeah, dude. You're on the rock.
What rock?
Now going into the center. Oh! I see him.
Where is he?
He's coming to the outpost. I'm out of here. Wee-hoo! I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm out of here. This man doesn't know.
Cody, I'm stuck!
You're stuck where?
Places.
Oh, you're stuck behind it. I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh, I'm also stuck. Does he know? Does he know? I'm coming to help. I'm coming to help. Hi, buddy.
Hey, come back here.
I don't see him. I'm looking out for him. Alright, I'm out. I'm out. I'm going behind the chair. I'm going behind the chair. I'm sitting in the chair. Come look at me. Come look at me.
Be quiet.
Run! Run! I'm gonna juke him. I'm gonna lead him away.
Woo! Bitch!
Oh, oh! I juked him.
Ah!
No! Why, Landry? Why? Bruh. Why, Landry?
Cody, just let me tag you so the round
No.
can be over.
No! I ain't letting that happen. I'm sorry, Landry. I'm sorry. I can't let this happen, man. I can't let this happen.
As Cody runs from Landry.
Let's go! I got him!